essential elements, class. We are going to be doing a recipe today from your News to You packet. It is called Zoo Snack Mix. So all of you are going to have a copy of this, and we're making a double batch here today in Miss Fern's kitchen. So we're going to be sharing some. Hello, everybody. All right, so we're going to have to do some math and some reading so we can remember. The first thing we need to do, we have our ingredients. So our ingredients for this recipe are 4 cups of toasted oat cereal, 2 cups animal crackers, 2 cups fish crackers, and animal crackers. We've got pretzel rings. We couldn't find the pretzel rings, so we get to have pretzel sticks instead. Sunflower kernels and raisins. So this is going to be a fun, yummy recipe. And guess what? We can count with this. So our first ingredient, it says to put cereal in. And we need how many cups, guys? That's right. We need 4 cups. So we are going to put the 4 cups of cereal in.